So hey everyone, today we are reviewing to our all new OnePlus Nord CE5, which is the latest OnePlus phone and it claims that this is the most powerful beast ever. So let's check it out. So there are some pretty cool specs in this phone like the display, the camera, it has a inbuilt fingerprint sensor and the camera is really awesome. There is only one SIM tray in it, like there is no any kind of memory expansion right now. There is dual SIM over there. Yeah. So here is what we get in the box. Like we get a charger, an 80-watt charger, a cover which is a pretty good cover, not like your other phones which get spoiled after sometimes. It has a 120 Hz fluid AMOLED display. So the model which I have is 8 plus 256 GB variant and it is 6.7 inch display. As I say, the cover is pretty much awesome. Like it is made up of silicon and it has texture in it. Yeah, and OnePlus branding. So let's check the most interesting and the most popular thing in the OnePlus Nord C, the camera test. It recorded 4K 60 FPS and it has a better camera of 50 megapixel of Sony. Here I take some sample from this photo of the back camera with the 4K 60 FPS recording and it is pretty awesome. The details are so sharp, each and everything is clearly visible and it is comparatively a better camera. And we just take some sample photos. If you like this video, subscribe and like it. Now the display part come. It has a pretty much awesome 4K resolution display and we can watch HDR content in it. Like the colors in it is so crisp and sharp as you can see in the video. So as I said, it has a 120 Hz AMOLED display in which we can shift from 60 Hz to 120 Hz, and if you select auto select, then the display automatically shifted to 60 to 120. And here we get a 80-watt super VoIP charger and it is pretty awesome. Like for 7100 mAh battery, it is pretty good. The mobile has a plastic back, but last year Nord 4 has a metal build which is quite awesome. And how can we forget the OG Easter egg of OnePlus Nords? Like never settle. So OnePlus has their own AI features. Like I just know one of them, so I just show you what it is. If you are liking this video, hit the subscribe and like button. So there are pretty much awesome specs in it, like I just show on the screen, and it has a pretty much good 16 megapixel front camera. So the storage type in it is 3.1 UFS storage. That means your game will be faster load. So let's check the OG game test. Like I play PUBG and it gave me pretty much awesome specs as there are some kind of FPS booster also in it. There are so many game modes like you can play any game on it. Like on 120 FPS you can play PUBG but I can't get it right now in my mobile. I only get 90 FPS on it. You can play 120 FPS on other game. It has a feature that you can push any game to 144 Hz. So the overall experience of this phone is quite good, but there is some kind of issues like it has a plastic back, which is kind of not a good thing as it produced so much temperature and got so much high on it, especially when we play games or record 4K videos. So yeah, that's the downgrade.